So when you encounter a company who comes to you and says, "I'm having trouble keeping my business consistent. I'm having trouble finding that quality of lead." What are some of the immediate resources that you think in our fullthrottle.ai toolkit that we can kind of put into place to help resolve for those problems?
So Shopper Suite works really well for folks in this space. And the reason it works so well for them is instead of going out and purchasing third-party leads, many companies, of course, are putting money into their own business and putting money into driving people to their website. Nick touched on it earlier. This is a bit of a commodity business. So on their website is where they really say, we're the people that care about you. We've been in your community for so many years. They're able to talk about how they're involved in the community and differentiate themselves. So therefore, people are driving those who are interested to their website so they can tell their customized story. What Full Throttle does is we're going to help them identify those people who are interested enough to go to their website to learn more about this company. And then the way in which we help collect that data and keep their brand in front of these folks is super beneficial. Again, they're not having to spend as much money on third-party leads. They're just emphasizing the marketing they're already putting into getting people to their website. We're just helping to accentuate that.